Hello my friends, this is Hani Amiri. Thank you for watching my videos. I'm glad to see you here, and if you are here for the first time, I should say I'm online entrepreneur working as affiliate since 2015. I've did many mistakes, I've struggled a lot, but I did it a successful business since the mid of 2017. In this channel I usually share my actual and honest experience in my online business to help you if you are planning or you already started your first steps, or you are working as normal in the niche of making money online, especially the affiliate marketing. Keep watching this video, because I'm going to share good information and recommendation that you can take and follow and implement in your business, and it will help you a lot. See you after this short intro. Welcome back, my friends, and I'm gonna refer to my computer and my notes here to explain this information for you. So I hope you will get a value and enjoy this video. My friends, this is we are speaking of course about affiliate marketing and the niche of making money online. You need first to understand and put in your mind that this is a great and a huge industry. You need time to understand it very well, and you need like to change your mentality to make it like this is your destiny. This is your way to be successful. This is your way to secure your future and your family future and enjoy the quality life that you want and you desire. So we spoke about the mindset and setting up a good mindset and get ready to a new environment and a new world of knowing a lot of elite people, successful people, and this is you have to consider that this is a long journey to be a successful. This is need work. It is not like get rich quick and think like this. So understanding that this is the market that need to keep working on your knowledge, keep improving your skills, keep your mindset able to absorb and to move from this area to another area, and be able to jump and be familiar with all the transition or the requirement that you will understand, you will learn, you will find other people. Sometimes people ask, how can I build my knowledge, or I understand this like quickly or easily? There is nothing you can say quickly, but easily. Please follow the others. What are other people's doing? You can do like it, and but of course there is a space for your creativity. There is a space for your skills, because all the people have different skills. Some people have a lot of skills, some people are beginners. So for beginners, let's say, of course you have a specific skills in this area, and like showing yourself, later marketing, promoting, things like this. So this is good, and then the training, the program, the information, the people you're gonna meet or attend webinars or things like this, they will help you like to put your skills together. Then by the end you will find yourself on the right way. The other thing is you need to big industry. Making money online It's like also a huge industry. So you need like of course you are going to sell other people's products. Some of the products are physical, other products are digital. So we are like preferring the affiliate marketing. For me, making money online, we prefer the digital marketing because there is digital products, because there is a lot of hassles dealing with the packaging, shipping, following up with the customers, handle with the return, refund, things like this. So digital marketing much more easier. You need to follow up. You need to to present or to give a customer service and maybe a refund or things like this. But it is a lot more easier than the physical products. So of course we are explaining. We agree that we are working. We are doing affiliate marketing and promoting the digital products, courses, online courses, ebooks, any other online services. Some people offer individual training, mentoring, things like this. This is all online services related to the building your knowledge or understanding the affiliate marketing and how to promote, how to market, how to make money online and things like this. The other thing is, my friend, you need at least to master one of the promotion activities. I mean, at least you have one, maybe two of the things that you need to do yourself to market your products. The thing is, we spoke about the promotion and the advertisement, and there is the organic and there is the paid. So the organic is better for the beginner because you will not be forced or obligated to pay money at the beginning, and maybe you will get disappointed or frustrated, or you're gonna make mistakes. So try, if you don't have these skills, try to learn how to do YouTube videos. Try to make your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter account active. Be consistent and persistent, doing daily follow-up, so that people will know you. You will have followers, subscribers, people likes your products, things like this, so that when you get ready and you show your offer to those people, they will show interest, and maybe they will follow the steps of your program, and then maybe to buy from you. This is how it works. So go ahead and try. Especially for the YouTube, it is the most important and powerful tool for the promotion, especially for the beginners. But you need to understand how it works, how to record videos, how to upload, and how to do the SEO for your videos, things like this. And of course, there is a lot of videos people can help you with that, and reach out if you want any recommendation. I'm ready to help you. This is related to another information I have to say, because getting ready to show yourself online is the most important. You can't hide yourself behind the computer, you consider that you already have your sales funnel or sales page, and you have your autoresponder and your follow-up emails is ready, and that's it. You go in a vacation or go somewhere and hang out with your friends, and the system will work with you. Yes, it is online. It is online business. It is some of the softwares will help you to make your business work for you, but it's the most important thing. You need to show yourself. You need, like, for example, to let people know who you are and why they should care. So understanding and implementing and doing videos, showing your friends that you are here and on the Facebook and the Instagram or Pinterest or anywhere. That means people will understand you well, and they will know who are you. Then they will, by the time, they will like you. And then when it comes to the time they want to purchase a course, a training, or any other services you are offering, they will come first to you, because you already have your online presence, you already work hard, and you have your good reputation, so people will come to consider buying from you. Otherwise, you know, because if you only put your setup or system or this tools we spoke about it, the autoresponder, the sales funnel, or any other softwares, if you only do this, there are hundreds, thousands of people doing the same. So why should this client or this prospect or this buyer will come to buy from you, not buying from other? Of course, they will buy from you if you spend a time, if you invest time and money to make yourself available to people, so that when they start thinking or they are about to make a decision or already decided to buy, they will come to you first, because you have your own presence in their mind. So that's how it works. The other thing, my friends, I want to speak about, you need to learn something, let's say, daily. There is a saying, I have it on my son's website, the main title, the main head title is, I learn, I do, I teach. So I learn everything daily. That's why I can creating this content, because I keep learning. I read books, I attend webinars, seminars, any other training. Then, so I will learn something. Then first of all, I will implement these things in my system to make it like, for example, much more understandable for me. And then the third thing I do, I come here to teach you. I deliver the value. I give you this free information according to my experience, my knowledge. So that's how it works. So keep learning daily, and then you come to implement, to do it in your system for your business, and then go to offer value, to give this information, this recommendation, this advices to other people, so that those people who visiting or watching your videos or visiting your account anywhere, they will know you, that, and then they will know that you are offering this kind of services, you have this experience, you have this level. Of course, I'm not interested to show people a lot of this shiny objects and promises, this millions of numbers on screens, things like this, because this is, as I consider myself, I felt that time, it's like a bad thing, because showing people that they are disappointed, they are down, they are not like others. So I don't like to do that. I keep everything to myself. I don't share my actual numbers information. So keep learning and doing in your system, and then go to teach people whatever you can do for that. The other step that you can come to implement and do is to find someone to train you personally. Mean like someone, we spoke about the mentor, but maybe you don't like this like a huge word, and maybe related to a big charges, I mean paying a lot of money. But find someone online who sold you the course, the training, to ask for a personal training, so that he or she come to check your system, to find to give you notes about your sales funnel, and see what's your autoresponder have from the email sequence and things like this. This will be good, because you will feel where are you right now, what you have done. Is your system or your setup or your online what you have did online is correct and good, and what can you do to move it forward, what's your strategy for the next month or next years, or maybe the tactics you have for the very close future. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, please drop me a line, please watch this video I recommended for you. And if you have if you want any more information, don't hesitate to drop me a line by email or in the comment below. And I will see you very soon. Thank you.